Once again, I am teaching school. No! Not school. Chicken, wake up.
Oh, yes, Mr. Short Puppet. I will stand up.
Okay, Mr. Chicken. Today we'll be learning algebra. What's 7 to the power of 3?
Where are we? Huh? Where are we? I thought we were just in class doing algebra or something.
Calm down. Wake up.
Huh? What's going on?
You're in the principal's office.
Why?
Don't shake me. Anyway, you're in the principal's office because Mr. Schnockadoo told you to come down here. See that ladybug? You're gonna eat it.
I don't want to eat a ladybug.
I am Principal Doogie Roll. You're in lots of trouble, Mr. Chicken. Yes, very much.
Not today, Principal Doogie Roll. I'm out.
Ow! I shouldn't have done this.
Well, at least he's away now. How you doing over there, Mr. Chicken? He is in so much trouble after this.
I'm up. This place is horrible. I'm going back to the office. Mommy.
Well, you don't have your mommy anymore.
Wait, where'd the principal go? Chicken, you okay?
No, not really. How are you doing?
Never teaching school again.